Shaha makaga nedacika 80 nazihangwe President William Ruto owabashendekerezi bw'omukazi we Mama Rachel Ruto nibwe yarahizibwa okwaba kwebembirwe Chief Justice Martha Koome.
I, William Samoei Ruto, in full realization of the high calling I assume as President of Kenya, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, preserve, and defend this Constitution of Kenya as by law established and all other laws of the Republic, and that I will protect and uphold the sovereignty, integrity, and dignity of the people of Kenya. So help me God.
Bwanyuma y'okurahira kwa Dr. Ruto nka President omuhwezi we Rigathi Gachagua nawe yarahizibwa.
So help me God.
So help me God. Tumpongeze kwa makofi Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais.
Obira President Uhuru Kenyatta yakwasa President Ruto bikwato by'obwebembezi kandi byayakirwe mizinga 21 eyaterwa amahega Kenya Defence Forces.
Tumpongeze kwa makofi anapopokezwa katiba ya Jamhuri ya Kenya. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Rais.
President Ruto yaraganise kuleta henkorengana nungi na nabo rubajo rubire rutarukumahajira okongera kutungura ihanga. We President Museveni yashaba President Ruto okongera kuleta henkwatanisa na nokongera kuhanga hakatare omahanga gari omumakago gwa East Africa.
In order for us to catch up with the United States, we need also to look at the issue of the regional market. Because when you produce, who buys? The more people that buy from you, the better for the business and the better for job creation. I thank you and I wish you good luck.
Omukoro gwo kurahiza President Ruto gwahikwaho abantu binje bebitinisa nka Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President wa Uganda, President Paul Kagame wa Rwanda, Felix Tshisekedi, President wa DR Congo na nabandi binji. Ahabwa TV West and Elias Rutugusa.